Hello everyone, Mr. Happy Zap here with an interim update on my humble abode build. I've begun to strap my roof trusses with 2x4s, but before I did that, of course, I put down the roof membrane. This is a Dow Corning product, and I have to say the stuff is pretty darn tough. It cuts with an X-Acto knife pretty easy, but you can't tear it very easily. So I've been able to get that up, and I've taped all the seams. As you can see, I still have the 2x4 to cut off and my amount of fascia board on there. But that's not the story today. I guess when you're building a new house, you have to be aware of your ground conditions, which I have been kind of aware of. But unfortunately, I wasn't aware of it well enough 6 days ago. And I had that step ladder over here on the side of the house, and I was getting ready. I had that side already all membraned up to the top, and I was getting ready to start here. And unfortunately, when I was up on the ladder kicked out on me, and I broke my wrist in 2 places. So that put a kibosh on for 5 days until I kind of got back on my feet again and found someone that I can depend on to be my hands. And so we're this far. I need to get it under roof because I'm tired of getting the rain on the floor. And hopefully in the next couple days have both the back and front here, have them membraned and strapped and whatnot, and have the fascia board put on the top, 2 top peaks for now, and have the tie back in here to kind of keep it out of the weather, because supposedly this Hurricane Florence the remnants are going to be coming up into my area, and it's probably going to dump a bit of rain on us. So anyway, once again, no matter how safe you think you're playing, mishaps can happen, and you just gotta deal with them. So there you go, nice blue one. I was going to put on pink, but I figured I'd better not. So until then, everyone keep a cool tool. Bye for now.